Okay, we've made our way down to the Xiangshan Wetlands, which is down on the coast where the river comes out at Hsinchu into the ocean. And we're going to take a ride down the wetlands bike trail they have here. And we had to sit up here to take an introductory video because the wind is howling down the front. And that's why there's so many wind turbines along this part of the coast, all good for the green energy. Let's take a ride down the beachfront here and take a look and see what it is. We've come out onto one of the little platforms that has a walkway out onto the wetland area. And I don't know if you can even hear me, the wind is howling so badly. It's pretty neat the way they got the walkway out here so you can check what's going on. Really just a bunch of crabs and mud skippers down along this area.
They're fighting! They're
fighting crabs. I guess when we get back to the little bikes where we parked them up front there, we'll head back to the car and probably head off to the hotel or get cleaned up. See you guys later. Morning everyone. Well, yesterday evening didn't really go off as planned. We headed off down to the one night market that supposedly was open on a Thursday evening, and it was actually closed for construction and renovations. So we just had a little bite to eat at one of the local stores, nothing too interesting. So we headed off back home now this morning, and we're going to enjoy the rest of the day in our area. So thanks for coming along, and hopefully it'll be a short enough time before we go for our next bit of fun on the road again. If you enjoyed our video, please like and subscribe. And we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Have a great one. Bye-bye.